What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Chart Striker. This is your host Lina. Hey, Ralph. Hope you're doing fine. Hope you've had a good day so far. So, guys, we're gonna get straight into the TA. I got an early morning tomorrow, so I gotta go to bed like pretty soon. But I'm here for the daily candle close, which closed almost 8 or 9 minutes ago now. So let's get into it straight away. So a short summary on what I said yesterday, right? I said as long as we are above these levels, we are fine. We see any daily candle close below this level, we could pull back to these areas. So far, we are still holding this support, right? Old support kind of flipped to resistance. Not gonna get into all the details, but you get the idea. So we're still holding. Thing is, you remember that negative divergence I was talking about? It could actually play out now since there is signs of negative divergence. We are at that 4-hourly resistance. We still haven't broken above this level, which could invalidate that first negative divergence that we see, right? So things are looking so and so. Hold on, just this moment. Something wrong here. I'm back. Okay. So we're still holding, but that negative divergence could play out because we're so far from that area we need to break above for that negative divergence to become invalid, right? On top of that, I mean, I can't say that the bulls are out of the game yet, but they're a bit exhausted right at the moment, as we guys can see, but there is nothing implying that it's panic time yet. Gonna be panic time though if we see a close below 27,450-ish, somewhere around these levels. Okay, then it's a different story. Let's have a look at the 4-hourly. Still holding above these levels, which is not bad, but also on the 4-hourly, signs of a negative divergence also. Like, it's not complete, but that's not the 4-hourly. Excuse me, I was looking at the 12-hourly. This is the 4-hourly. Okay, we got negative momentum on the oscillators. RSI is still above neutral. There are no signs of any positive divergence at the moment. Look, guys, just like I've been saying yesterday and before yesterday and so on, as long as we are above this level, it is fine. It is fine. What you do not want to see is a daily candle close below this area, right? 27,480 to 27,450 on the 4-hourly. Pretty much the same thing, but if that happens, we could pull back all the way to these levels for support. It's close to this area, but yeah, we could, on the shorter time frames, we could see some type of support become respected. And funny how it's right by that midterm moving average on the hourly, right? So yeah, resistance got hit, support got respected so far. If we break above this level, see eventually around these areas next, which is 29,700-ish, 29,600-ish. You know already the oscillators on the daily are positive, but we can't ignore the negative divergence that is trying to build and develop, okay? All right, so let's move on, have a look at Ethereum as well. I mean, we've gone into the details yesterday, before yesterday, so on and so forth. So just gonna go through them a bit faster today. Yeah, Ethereum still got troubles getting above this 1,920-ish levels. If it does, guys, if it does. We have this mini resistance. I've been saying this past days. Mini resistance around 1,936. And then not much holding us until these areas, friends. 1,984, $2,020, okay? And we have positive momentum on the oscillators, okay? There's also negative divergence showing on Ethereum. It's only gonna become invalid if we see a close above this level, okay? Let's head over to the 4-hourly. We got this, well, there are some negative factors when it comes to the oscillators, to the, you know, MACD crossover and so on. So more bearish factors than anything else there. First, resistance is still around this, even on the 4-hourly, 1,936, 1,920 to 1,936, okay? But to be, if one is a bit more conservative, if I was a bit more conservative, I'd wait to see a close above this level, this red dashed line, okay? If I see a 4-hourly candle close above it with some follow through, yeah, then you could see it go up, you know, a bit more, a little bit more, just for it to go and reach these levels eventually. And these levels, friends, we're talking about the top of the channel, okay? Like, this is where it's been rejected a few times. It doesn't necessarily mean that we have to go all the way up, but that's why I'm showing you these levels, right? Around 1,984, 2020, okay? So that's pretty much Ethereum. So we're also done with Ethereum. It got respected, guys. So it's good. No stress. People who are stressing are people who probably shorted these levels, right? That I understand. Hey Suarez, welcome back to the show. Hope you've had a good one. So that was Ethereum. Let's have a look at XRP. That has been showing strength, but I don't know which of you saw that stream, but those of you who did, I spoke about, you know, Ripple being in nice territory. So on top of that, you know, they are gonna come that lawsuit, you know, that with the SEC and stuff. Like, they are gonna come to some conclusion. Like, I think in a few months. I think that's what they've been saying. At least that's what the rumor is, as far as I know. So we could be witnessing a pump for that reason, okay? Now, I already spoke about this level. We are at resistance. If we want to see a continuation to the upside, which is this level right here, okay, around these areas, 0.65 all the way to 0.7-ish dollars. It needs to do one thing. Ripple needs to do one thing. It's see a daily candle close above 0.59-ish with some follow through, of course, always with some follow through. And if that happens, nice, good to go. But yeah, levels of interest were maybe here, you know, when I pointed it out, or maybe here also, you know. If one misses it sometimes, it's just better just to wave goodbye until, you know, one gets a better chance, right? And sometimes even well, one can maybe look at breakouts to the upside, and then, you know, resistance flipping to support and so on and so forth. That could also, you know, maybe give some type of a confidence to do something. Otherwise, yeah, levels of interest all the way down here. Okay, so that's XRP. And now, ladies and gents, I know a lot of people are super interested in this one, and I understand why. It's because it's been the only asset in the crypto space, like these past 2-3 days, that's been going nuts. Exactly, Ralph. Lina. Guys, it's been one of those, you know, just special rides. Since I posted about it, since I saw it, I noticed things, and I posted about it, it's gone up 150% in 5 or 6 days. Let's just say in a week, okay? Let's be flexible. In a week, 150%. Just a little summary, okay? Because I posted about this a lot on Twitter, but I haven't made a clear enough video about all my targets, and I'm not gonna do it here, but a little summary, okay? I spotted it at resistance the second time. I was monitoring it in the beginning when it was in this channel. It broke out. I wanted to wait for a back test of old resistance acting as support, right? For me to be a bit more confident. Okay, good time, okay? So what happened? Those of you who wanna look at the Twitter post, just literally just go into Chart Striker and you'll find it there, okay? Everything. When it was posted the first time, I think it was on the 24th of May, right here, okay? As you guys can see. And I've been updating it like almost every time, you know, something interesting showed, you know, what was showing, right? Where is the other one? Hold on. Yeah. And then this was the second post I made about Lina, okay? Which brings us to this level right here, right? I explained this far on the stream last time. Hit resistance, broke down symmetrical triangle, broke down, but not back within the channel, right? Old resistance flipped to support. We started seeing strength. We had some nice divergence. Like, there were so many factors for this to be seen as some type of a good opportunity, right? And then we broke above R1 on the 4-hour lead time frame, then R2, then R3. After that, it was definitely good times because R1 daily time frame was coming. And then I did also talk about this level being resistance. Now, looking at this, you know, looking at the daily, one could think, well, there was no resistance. Wrong. Look at the hourly. Sellers were waiting around these levels, guys. Look here again. Like, we got rejected, you know, we kind of consolidated here a good while. I kind of didn't have time to post about this one because I was busy, you know, with other things. You know, gotta make that bread, right? But we had this another bull flag, you know, in the middle of everything, and then nice divergence and whatnot, and things continued to the upside. And then my last update, well, the last one before this one, I made sure, because I don't want people to get confused, right? So I told you guys R3 daily time frame resistance successfully reached. It proved its accuracy once again, and so on and so forth, right? Because we hit that 0.02, around that 0.02 level. Thing is, I started seeing strength on the shorter time frames again after we hit these levels, and we broke out of it. So I came back, I told you guys what I saw, and I told you R3 daily time frame resistance currently broken, indicating a higher likelihood of reaching the next target, right? And what happened since then? When I posted this, price was at around 0.022. Let's just say 0.224, okay? Let's just see from 0.224, right? 0.224. Let's say somewhere around these levels. It went up another 17 to 18%. But most importantly, guys, do you see where my resistance was? This was posted like many hours ago, like way before this happened. Do you see the resistance levels to your right? 0.024947 to 0.026567. And now let's see what happened live. I haven't changed the prices, guys. Here it is in front of you. Do you see this? So there is some type of resistance here, but this is what I want to leave you with. This is important for Lina. Believe me, you guys, I don't see any exhaustion on the daily from the bulls. Like nothing. And I did also answer one of the guys who was asking if Lina would go straight. I think he said something about Lina going straight to, hold on. Yeah, 0.03 Lina tonight. Dreams come true. He wrote this, and I explained if when it breaks 0.02, probabilities of reaching 0.03 is higher, you know? And what happened? Daily time frame, we have a close above this level. Okay, we have a close above that 0.02 level. We did hit that 4 hour Lina Ford resistance, but guys, 0.03 is not that difficult. If we even see it at 0.034, it is not gonna be that strange. Just saying, okay? So yeah, there is some type of nice, let me just draw it for you, hold on. Or you know what, I think I've already drawn it. Okay, for some reason I can't find the drawing. Very weird. Anyways, here it is. Somewhere around these levels. There you go. Next resistance around 0.029113, 0.031665-ish. But if we see a 4-hourly candle close above this area, okay? We're not gonna get tricked into things, you know, because yeah, it's even though daily is not looking exhausted, on the 4-hourly, it's kind of developing a different situation, right? It's trying to form this bad divergence and stuff. So if we can break above this level, 0.031 in short, I'm not gonna be that surprised if we see it around 0.035. And that is Lina, okay? Because that bad divergence that is developing on the shorter time frames is kinda maybe telling us that there could be a high probability that we see some sort of a consolidation or a pullback, right? Now let's talk support. First support level on the daily time frame is around this level, 0.0178-ish to 0.0166-ish, okay? On the 4-hourly time frame, here's your first 4-hourly support, 0.02. Funny, right? How this level keeps on popping up as an important level, okay? So any 4-hourly candle close below this level, lower we go to that level I just mentioned, okay, for the daily support. Funny how things match up when TA is actually done the right way. It doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna be respected all the time, but it's important that one does it the correct way. So that's Lina, you know, the support levels, you know, what could happen, you know, what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing. But daily is not looking exhausted. Like, our site is a bit worrisome. Like, I wouldn't be rushing to get in at these levels, but if I was in Lina, I wouldn't be rushing to get out either just yet. Okay, let me put it that way. All right, guys, what, I've been live, I think this is one of the shortest live streams we've had, but I gotta go to bed, like I said in the beginning. But we've had a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Lina, and XRP. I think these are important for today because there has been a lot of hype around them. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you with that one. Much love to all of you watching. Thank you for tuning in, and you know, as usual, smash that like, hit that bell, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one. Good night. Take care.